I often talk about the need for automation, but let's say you do a brilliant job at automation. What's left? All the novel things unusual things that are happening for the first time, where now it's all about very quickly diagnosing what's going on. So for that, at Shoreline, we provide parallel distributed fault-tolerant debugging. It's really the capability I wished I'd had when I was at AWS. So, for example, when you can go and say, what is different about these nodes that are operating improperly compared to the others? And really filter your way down and analyze things in parallel, quickly, without having to go and SSH into one box after the next. The need for this really struck me when I was at AWS and one of my services was having a problem, a large-scale event. A lot of us were sitting on a call. And eventually I ended up asking 10 of my engineers on that call to go and just log into a lot of the boxes that were problematic and go figure out what was wrong with them. It turned out it was a recent BIOS change. Now, that's obviously not something I'm logging or monitoring or have a dashboard for. It's some new thing that's happened that I need to diagnose. And so the great thing about Shoreline is rather than applying a lot of human labor to it in the heat of battle, it's just one query where you can just iterate through a bunch of different scenarios and figure out what's going wrong. So I think it's an incredibly important capability, one that isn't really available anywhere else.